Hello everybody, I am Dr. Aslam Baba, surgical gastroenterologist from Medicover Hospitals, Secretariat. Today we are going to discuss about gallbladder stones, which is very common problem nowadays. And people walking into my outpatient department have many queries regarding this. So I wanted to discuss this topic, which is a common problem now. I will be dealing this topic in a very less scientific manner. And I'll be answering the four most common questions asked by the patients. First, why do these gallstones occur? How different are they from renal stones, that is kidney stones, and how is the treatment different between those two? Third, what are the complications if these gallbladder stones are not treated? Fourth, when do the gallbladder stones need treatment? Simple mere presence of a gallbladder stone on an ultrasound, does it need treatment or not? So coming to my first question, how do these gallbladder stones form? This we can just correlate to simple example that everybody of us have an overhead tank. So when something is stagnant there for a quite period of time, some particles get deposited in that. Similar to that, gallbladder is a storage organ. The bile juices from the liver get stored in the gallbladder for some period, and when we take food, due to the hormones secreted by the intestines, this gallbladder contracts and releases the stored bile juices for the process of digestion in the intestines. So gallbladder only stores the bile juices from the liver for some time. So when this gallbladder malfunctions, that is, it is not pumping the bile juices properly, or bile is stagnant for more than required time, or when there is an imbalance between the cholesterol and the fluid content in the bile, that is date back, if we compare it to the physics, any solvent dissolves the substrate when to a certain extent. When we are going on adding a substrate to the solvent, then the dissolution stops and it deposits as sediment. Similarly, if cholesterol content increases in the bile, it dissolves to some extent. After an extent, it forms stones. So gallbladder stones occur at that time. So gallbladder stones, when they stay in the gallbladder, they are harmless in many patients. So the next question the patients ask, how they are different from kidney stones and what is the treatment difference between the gallbladder stone or kidney stone? Or exactly in a patient term, patient asks me, kidney stones you remove only stones, but why you have to remove gallbladder in the case of gallbladder stones? My answer to this is, the system of kidney is completely separate. Kidney passes urine through the urinary tract, but gallbladder is connected to the intestines. So if there is a kidney stone, it passes through the urine, or if you drink plenty of water, there is a chance that this stone get dissolved, or small stones pass off through the urine. But gallbladder, as it is connected to the intestine, as it stores bile juices for the digestion in the intestine, if any gallstone has to pass, it has passed through the intestine. It is not as simple as that. So it has to take to the course of the biliary system, which is again in close contact to the pancreatic system. So when this stone passes through the biliary system, or when it comes across through this pancreatic system, it can block both the ducts, that is the biliary duct and also pancreatic duct. Suppose we have recently floods in Hyderabad. What happened when the drainages are blocked? All the drainage or all the water content was on roads. Similarly, when any ductular system, this biliary duct system or pancreatic system gets blocked due to these stones, the normal juices which has to be going to the intestine, they overflow. So patient gets jaundiced. When bile flows into the blood, patient gets jaundiced. When pancreatic juices, instead of going into the intestine, overflows, then patient gets pancreatitis, which is a very serious problem. So it is not as simple to leave the gallbladder stones there and wait for them to pass to the intestines. So getting access to these gallbladder stones is not easy, and even if you access the gallbladder stones inside the gallbladder, they slip off and they tend to obstruct these two ducts, which causes pancreatitis or jaundice. So, in the cases of gallbladder stones, the gallbladder has to be removed entirely, because kidneys have a specific function, but gallbladder, the function is only storage organ. So, if you remove the gallbladder also, the secretion from the liver is not hampered, and also digestion in the intestines from the bile juice also not gets hampered. So, if gallbladder is troubling the patient due to gallstones, it has to be removed. The third question: what if gallbladder stones are not removed or neglected? What are the complications which can occur? In the previous question itself, I have answered this, but I'll just mention you again. Gallstone is present in the gallbladder. It can get infected and it can cause cholecystitis, that is infection in the gallbladder. The second problem is when the gallstone slips and gets stuck in the biliary system, there is no passage for bile to go into the intestine. It overflows from the liver into the blood and it causes jaundice. It is called obstructive jaundice. I will give an example here. When a road is blocked, only the road is blocked. But when the junction is blocked, all the roads which are meeting at the junction gets blocked. Similarly, in the body, the biliary system and pancreatic system, they join together and enter at the same point in the intestine. So, when the gallbladder stone gets blocked at the distal most part, that is the cornermost part of the biliary system, it also blocks the pancreatic system also. So, gallstones, when it is blocked, it can cause pancreatitis and also it can cause biliary system. Though gallbladder cancer is not so common in our part of India, in northeastern and northern India, gallbladder stones are very much correlated to the gallbladder cancer. So, these are the problems which can occur if the gallbladder stone are not treated or neglected. Coming to the fourth question: do all the gallstones need treatment, or what are the symptoms which the patient should present to the doctor to get treated? Suppose nowadays ultrasound screening is like an extended clinical examination. So people get more of the patients get ultrasound abdomen investigation. So when you get an ultrasound examination, a radiologist mentions that gallbladder stones are present. Is there need to panic here, or do you need surgery? So don't worry, I'll explain you clearly. If you don't have any symptoms, so first of all, let's see what are the symptoms a gallbladder stone can cause. You can have a pain on the right side of the upper part of your abdomen. You can have a bloating sensation, which means you can feel your stomach or upper abdomen full after having food. Especially you can correlate this with when you have fatty food or very fried food or oil rich or fatty diet. Or you are having constantly pain on the right side of the abdomen, or anytime you feel fever along with pain in the right side of the abdomen. These are the indications that your gallbladder stone is troubling you. So, if you have no symptoms at all, if your gallbladder stone is incidentally detected on ultrasound abdomen, you no need to panic and you don't need a surgery for that. Even if you have doubt at that time, please visit your doctor, visit your surgical gastroenterologist and get your query resolved instead of neglecting it or getting it over treated and getting operated unnecessarily. When there is silent stone which is not causing symptoms, the stone size has to be large, that is 2.5 to 3 centimeters at least, for it to get operated. Or if the stones are present in the common bile duct system, or the stone has caused pancreatitis, or there is suspicion of some gallbladder malignancy or thickening on the same investigation, then you need a treatment. You have no symptoms previously and there is a small stone detected in the gallbladder zone, then you have to clarify with your doctor before you getting operated it. So any query regarding gallbladder stones or any other disorder, we are always here to help you. Please free to contact us at Medicover Hospital Secretariat. Thank you for patient listening.